Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I've got a Walmart haul here. This is a majority of the stuff. I also picked up cat litter, soda, beer, water, and something else that I'm missing. Like big bulkier items that you guys all know what water and cat litter and beer and stuff looks like. So this is just like the smaller things. As you all know, we're dealing with the coronavirus scare right now, and everybody here is panicking. I'm sure like everywhere else. Schools are closing left and right. People are losing jobs. You guys already know. But all my grocery stores are selling out of almost everything at this point. Beyond toilet paper, baby wipes, napkins, any like tissues, paper goods, completely empty, no hand soaps, no cleaners. And now the food is starting to sell out. There were actually quite a few items I was not able to pick up because they were completely wiped out. And this is like a large Walmart we're talking. When I say almost every aisle was sold out, I'm not exaggerating. Like there were it was very slim pickings. The produce was still pretty good. The meat was pretty good, but like a lot of the perishable canned goods, even the frozen aisles were pretty wiped out. But anyways, I'm sure all of you are familiar with what's going on, and I'm sure a lot of you are in the same boat. So I did get things that I didn't necessarily need, but since there's a good chance my son will not have school starting in the near future, and I'll have to work from home, there's just going to be a lot of changes, and I needed to prepare for that like everybody else. So I got a lot of things that we use on a regular basis, just things like that. So everything here plus all the things I mentioned was about $200. It was a larger haul since I'm stocking up on things that I know we go through quickly. I did get some green beans from the produce section. I got 2 packages of bamboo skewers because we are going hard with the grilling, and we do a ton of veggies and meat skewers and stuff on the grill. These were 97 cents a piece. I did find them in like the outdoor grilling area, if you're curious and wanting to pick these up. I got them because my current package is down to like 6, and we're going to be doing a lot of grilling. The weather is like in the 40s. I know that's cold for some of you, but here where we live in upstate New York, when it's 40s, it's warm to us, and we're able to grill and be outside on a regular basis. So, bunch of skewers. The green beans I already talked about. I got Hawaiian sweet rolls. These are like the Walmart version of the sweet Hawaiian bread. They're hamburger buns because we have burgers and turkey burgers that we can grill as an option. Swiss cheese for my husband's sandwiches. I got some snack pack things for Matt's lunches. So I got 2 of the Hormel Natural Choice uncured pepperoni and cheddar with crackers, 2 of those. A P3 protein pack, turkey, almonds, and Colby Jack for his lunch. Family size extra toasty Cheez-It, a party size Tostitos scoops, some of this deli fresh rotisserie seasoned chicken breast because the line at the actual deli was like 13, 14 people deep, and nobody has time for that. So I got this to hold us over. I did get a bunch of canned goods, cream of chicken soup that I use for a few different things. I got 2 beef broth and 2 chicken broth, so there's 2 of each that I can use for many different recipes or soups. I got 4 of the Muir Glen diced fire roasted tomatoes. These are my favorite, and I actually got the last 4 cans in the whole store. And I use these for all different things. Chili, goulash, soups, stews, things like that. I got some Danimals yogurt squeezable strawberry explosion for my son since he'll be home most likely, and if not, if he does continue to go to school, he sometimes takes one. I got a red enchilada sauce, a corn. I got a Red Baron pizza for a couple reasons. One, if my son's home from school and I'm home working, this is just an easy option for us that he will actually eat after I take the cheese off, or we can always use it for an easy dinner with a salad at night. Ranch, this is the Hidden Valley bacon flavor. I got 2 of the Carolina Yellow rice mixes, easy side dish that goes good with grilled meat and veggies. I got a Walmart brand Southern style hash brown because I do breakfast skillets sometimes for dinner or for breakfast. An English cucumber, the zucchini, which I skewer usually with other veggies to grill. raspberries for my son, strawberries for my son or us as well. One of the Seeds of Change Spanish style rice with quinoa, peppers, and corn. I like this when I make enchiladas or tacos as a side. These are the tomatoes we like to grill with. They're really sweet and they skewer well and grill well. Some chicken wings that I'll probably freeze that I can bake or grill because we love chicken wings and we love to grill them. I got some pasta, 2 elbows, and 1 tricolor rotini, which I use for pasta salad. I got Elio's pizza. This is the supreme one, which we like to have sometimes on the weekends for lunch. Some Danimal squeezables in the cotton candy flavor. Some hazelnut K-Cups for my husband. Some Folgers K-Cups for myself, or my husband can have them as well. I got a big bag of Hershey assortment because when there's a lot of chaos going on, you need chocolate sometimes. So this one is milk chocolate with almond, special dark with almond, which I don't like because I don't like dark chocolate, and extra creamy milk chocolate with toffee and almonds. And I only got the big one because all the other sizes were sold out. I got a gallon of water. I also, like I mentioned, got a big case of bottled water individual. We do recycle those, by the way. Some Goldfish Cheddar because the Goldfish and cheese that aisle was pretty sparse. So even though I don't need this, I got it as a precaution in case the event, they are completely sold out and my son is home from school. This is his favorite snack. I also got some Capri Sun grape roaring water. This is the clear one that has 50% less sugar. And I got 2 bottles of the juice we like, the white cranberry strawberry. I think that is everything. And I think I'm just going to show you guys a quick peek of my stock in the basement freezer and fridge as well. Alright, so here is my basement freezer fridge combo. So I've got, in the door here, I've got like a bunch of breakfast sandwiches for my husband that'll just last for whenever. I've got extra butter. I think this is banana bread that I made a while back and froze. And then I have a bunch of meat because I did stock up. Even before this whole craziness, I like to always be stocked up on meat. So I've got sausage, chicken breast, more chicken breast. I think these are ground, or more chicken breast. Ground beef. I know I have ground beef. Or not. So all chicken, ground beef, ground beef, ground beef, ground beef, and then back here I have ground turkey. So I have a pound of ground turkey, another pound of ground turkey. I think there's actually 2 more back here. I also have Jimmy Dean sausage here that's frozen. So I've got ground beef, ground turkey, sausage, chicken. In my upstairs freezer I have frozen shrimp, frozen pork chops, and a pork loin. I've got extra bread here frozen. I've got some beef ravioli that I'm going to make next week. I've got frozen shredded cheese. These are frozen pierogies. I buy them in bulk and my mom and I split them. I've got my frozen marinara that I make at home and freeze. So I've got 2 of those left. And then in here is like a bunch of sides. So like frozen hash browns, tater tots. This is chicken wings. I've got pizza since we're going to be staying home and social distancing. I need like quick frozen things I can make sometimes. So that's pizza that Grady and I can have. These are just like tater tots. I've got broccoli tots. Just like sides, frozen veggies, frozen sides, things like that. And then of course I have my pantry stuff. So I've got different rices, quinoas, pastas, stuff like that. And then in my fridge here, I just have a ton of bottled water. You just never know. And all the bulk, like gallon jugs, were pretty much wiped out. So I've got like bottled water. I've got like extra juice and different things for us. Some like soda and seltzers. So we're pretty good meat-wise, and hopefully everything will come back into stock before I run out. Alright, so meal plan for week 2 of social distancing. I'm going to try, when I go to the market, I'm going to try to go on the weekend when my husband is home so I don't have to take my son and get very minimal stuff. But I tried to plan my meals next week based on what I already have. So one night I'm going to do chicken enchiladas. I already have the chicken, I have the tortillas, I have the enchilada sauce, I have the cheese, so I have everything I need. I even have green chilies. I do have some whole artichokes that I bought a week or 2 ago that I really need to use up, so I'm actually going to steam them in the crock pot. And I'm sure you guys will see that in an upcoming dinner video because I do plan to share the clip on that. So that'll be kind of a random dinner, but it's a way I can use up these artichokes. As you saw, I have plenty of chicken, so I'm going to do grilled chicken one night with a marinade, probably the lime, or probably the Baja lime seasoning citrus one, with some veggie skewers and possibly some kind of a rice. That's why I put a question mark. I've got a beautiful pork loin in my upstairs freezer, and I also have some pork chops to use up. So we'll do one or the other grilled, and I'll do those pierogies, and I'll probably do some kind of veggie on the side. I just don't know what yet. That beef ravioli that I have in my freezer that I showed you, I will boil that up. I will thaw out my marinara sauce in the jar downstairs that I froze, and I will have the beef ravioli with marinara, and I'll make salads and maybe even some bread if we have like crusty Italian bread. For our no meat night, we will keep it simple: tomato soup and grilled cheese and tomato. I know that's a lot of tomato, but I love tomato on my grilled cheese. And maybe even like a little salad. Sometimes we like to do like soup, salad, sandwich night, that kind of thing. I'm going to do flatbread pizzas on the grill one night. I have some garlic naan to use up. I do have some shrimp, actually, a very small amount. So I might do like shrimp barbecue flatbread pizza with a salad, and then I have a freebie night. I think we're going to do takeout because all the restaurants here in New York are closed for dining in, but I want to help support a local business, like not a chain, and get takeout somewhere from like a local, you know, mom and pop restaurant that might be struggling because of lack of business right now. So everybody please stay safe, stay home if you can, have a great weekend. I don't know what next week's videos are going to look like because I just haven't had the same normal amount of time to film or edit because my schedule is crazy right now. I'm working from home, homeschooling my son, and obviously taking care of my son is my #1 priority. So we'll see what next week's videos look like. We might have one less video. I'm not really sure yet. Hopefully I will see you Monday with a new one. There might not be a Wednesday video. I haven't really figured it out. I will try to update on my YouTube community tab when I know more, but have a great weekend, be safe, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.